Welcome to our step-by-step guide to start fruit fasting for weight loss. In this video, we will take you through the process of fruit fasting and how it can help you shed those extra pounds. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about the benefits of fruit fasting. Fruit fasting is not only a great way to lose weight, but also helps in detoxifying the body, improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and increasing energy levels. Incorporating fruits into your diet can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. The first step in fruit fasting is choosing the right fruits. Opt for a variety of fresh fruits that are in season and readily available. Some excellent choices include apples, berries, citrus fruits, melons, and pears. Stock up on these fruits to ensure a successful fruit fasting experience. Planning your meals is crucial during fruit fasting. Make sure to include a variety of fruits in your daily meal plan and spread them out throughout the day. This will ensure that you are getting a balanced intake of nutrients and will help you stay satiated. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. While fruit fasting can aid in weight loss, it is important to complement it with exercise. Incorporating light to moderate exercises such as walking, yoga, or swimming can help boost your metabolism and enhance the effectiveness of fruit fasting. Remember to listen to your body and choose activities that you enjoy. Congratulations! You have now learned the step-by-step guide to start fruit fasting for weight loss. Remember, fruit fasting is a healthy and sustainable way to achieve your weight loss goals. Start incorporating fruits into your diet today and experience their numerous benefits. Thank you for watching, or